Trump calls DeepSeek AI a wake-up call. Tech market collapses. Billion-dollar crash explained. The unthinkable has happened. Wall Street is in full-blown panic mode. Tech stocks are crumbling. Billions of dollars wiped out overnight. And the reason? A secretive AI breakthrough from China that just shocked the world. Even Donald Trump just sounded the alarm, calling DeepSeek AI a wake-up call for America's entire tech industry. What does this mean for the future of AI, the U.S. economy, and your financial future? Stay with me, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about technology, money, and power. Let's break it all down before it's too late. It all started with a mysterious Chinese AI company called DeepSeek, a company almost no one in the West had heard of. DeepSeek AI made headlines overnight with a breakthrough that sent shockwaves across the global tech industry. The company announced an artificial intelligence model that allegedly surpasses anything currently available from OpenAI, Google DeepMind, or Microsoft. What makes this announcement terrifying for U.S. tech companies is that DeepSeek has reportedly developed a model that can process data 30% faster while consuming 40% less energy, a game changer in AI efficiency. And this isn't just theoretical. China has already started implementing DeepSeek AI into various sectors, from military operations to financial modeling and consumer applications. But here's where things get even more alarming. DeepSeek AI isn't using Chinese-made chips to power this technology. Instead, they're leveraging NVIDIA's most advanced processors. This means the very company that helped make U.S. AI dominant is now enabling China's rise in artificial intelligence. That's when the alarm bells started ringing, both in Silicon Valley and Washington, D.C. This is a wake-up call for the American tech industry. We cannot let China take the lead in AI. Immediately, reports started flooding in. Trump is considering new restrictions on chip sales to China. Within hours of DeepSeek AI's announcement, Trump's advisors began drafting executive orders to ban U.S. chip makers like NVIDIA from selling high-end processors to China. This is a direct escalation of the U.S.-China tech war, which began years ago with restrictions on Huawei and other Chinese firms. But this time, the stakes are much higher. If these new bans go into effect, NVIDIA could lose over $10 billion in annual revenue from the Chinese market alone. If this happens, it could destroy NVIDIA's billion-dollar relationship with China overnight. And that's exactly why we just witnessed a massive tech stock crash. Billions of dollars gone. The ripple effect is enormous. Investors are pulling their money from NVIDIA, AMD, and even Microsoft, fearing that the entire U.S. AI industry is under threat. But the real question is, will banning China from NVIDIA's technology actually stop them? Or is it already too late? Let's get real for a second. This isn't just about NVIDIA. This is about AI dominance. China has been quietly investing trillions into AI research, semiconductors, and quantum computing. In just the past 5 years, they've produced more AI research papers than the U.S. and launched state-backed initiatives to create self-sufficient AI ecosystems, free from Western dependence. Their goal? Become the undisputed AI superpower by 2030. China isn't just competing anymore, they might be winning. And if the U.S. loses this AI war, it could change everything. But Trump's approach raises serious questions. Will banning NVIDIA from China slow them down, or just force China to innovate even faster? Some experts argue that this move could backfire, leading China to double down on developing its own AI chips, cutting the U.S. out of the $600 billion AI economy. You might be wondering, why should you care about all this? If NVIDIA's China market disappears, stock values could plummet further. That means anyone with a 401k retirement plan or investments in tech stocks could see their savings shrink overnight. And it's not just Nvidia. Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and even Amazon rely on global trade with China. If trade restrictions escalate, we could be looking at higher consumer prices, slower innovation, and mass layoffs across the tech industry. Higher prices on AI-powered devices, slower advancements in AI services, layoffs in the tech sector, crashing stock values in major tech companies. If you own any stocks in tech, this could directly impact your financial future. Tell us in the comments below. Should the U.S. ban AI chip sales to China? Will Nvidia recover or crash further? Is China already winning the AI war? Like and subscribe for breaking news on AI, finance, and global power struggles. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.